Okay, here we're looking at the roof. Over there it's up where it's supposed to be. Over here you can see what happened is the beam that went across here, I took the moldings off and the architecture, and you can see it's just rotted. It's not good at all. We're gonna have to pull this whole thing out, which I knew we would, but it's interesting. You can see how they fastened up initially a big bolt, and here also look at here, you see how this is sticking down here? Okay, over there it's even. Over on the other side it's even, so you can see it's sticking down probably 1.5 inches here, and then over here it's sticking down even more like 3 inches. And I know that this right here is about even with our base now. It's really close, it's within 1/2 inch. So that tells me that this roof, and if you step back, you can see it dips here. Can't see it from here, we're way too close. But when you step back and you compare it with the siding on the house, which we'd have to assume is pretty level, this dips on this side. So we're gonna have to add more of these supports in that are coming off our base up into here. And we're probably gonna have to add 3 and then just keep raising them and working across until we get this up at least 3 to 4 inches. Probably 4 inches is what we have to go up in this very corner. So I guess that's the next step, because what's happened is this piece right here, and you can see it move. This moves right now. Well, it's getting pushed out. So I really need it in about 4 inches at the end there. Either, I don't know if we should put our posts up or not. I'm not sure yet. But I think I'm going to start jacking up this corner. We're going to have to take it up slow.